This is Mahesh. In this video, we are going to continue the examples of probability. Let's get started. The first question is, a bag contains 5 white and 4 blue balls. If 2 balls are drawn from the bag at random, find the probability that both are the same color. So, in a bag, there is 5 white and 4 blue balls out there. So, out of which I am going to take 2. So, out of 9, I am taking 2. What is the total outcome? First thing you have to do whenever the question is based on probability, you have to find the total outcome. So, what is the total outcome? Total outcome is equal, out of 9 balls, I am taking 2 balls. That's it. So, 9C2. You know how to expand 9C2, right? So, numerator and denominator will be there. 9 into 8 divided by 2 into 1. So, cancelling this, you will get 4. So, totally 9 into 4, 36 is the total outcome. So, next one is my favorable outcome. What is the favorable outcome? Here, the question is find the probability that both are of the same color. So, you are taking 2 balls, both should be same color, means either the ball is white, 2 white balls, or 2 blue balls. Okay, that's it. So if you have 2 white balls as the choice, so how many choices are there? White, 5C2. You have to take from 5. If you are taking blue balls, means 4C2. That's it. Expand this, what you will get? 5C2, 5 into 4 divided by 2 into 1. So cancelling this, you will get 2. 5 into 2, 10 here, and then here 4 into 3 divided by 2 into 1. Cancelling this, 2 into 3, 6. R means which is nothing but plus. So favorable outcome is equal, favorable outcome is equal 10 plus 6 is equal 16. That's it. What is the probability? You know that. So you have favorable outcomes as well as the total outcome, then probability is equal so favorable outcome is 16 and total outcome is 36. You can cancel this. So by cancelling 2, 8 by 18. You can cancel this again. So 4 by 9. So what is the probability that both of the same color? Which means 4 by 9 is your answer. Okay, next question. When 2 cards are picked from a pack of cards, find the probability that both the cards are numbered cards of same suite. So you are taking 2 cards from a pack of cards. How many cards will be there? Totally 52 cards. First thing you have to do is find the total outcome. So total outcome is equal, total outcome is equal 52 cards. I am taking 2 cards, 52 C2. So when you cancel this, what you will get? 52 into 51. 2 times I have to reduce 52 and then 2 into 1. So cancelling this, 26 you will get. So your denominator is 26 into 51. Okay, that's it. This is total outcome. I am not multiplying because you will get numerator. You may get cancelled this value. Okay, that is why I am keeping that value as it is. Next, what is my favorable outcome? Find the probability that both the cards are numbered cards. How many numbered cards will be there? So in each suite, in each category, there are 4 categories of cards. 13 cards will be there. How many cards are numbered? So numbered is in every card, every type, you have 9 numbered cards, right? Except A, J, Q and K. Except these 4, remaining 9 cards, because in everything 13 cards are there. So if you go for favorable outcome in hearts, so each suite you have to take 2 cards, which means you can take 2 cards from hearts, or 2 cards from diamonds, or 2 cards from spade, or 2 cards from clubs. That is what here question. The question is probability that the both cards are numbered of the same suite, either heart, diamond, or spade, or clubs maybe. So from heart means you are taking two numbered cards from heart means 9C2. 9C2 is nothing but 9 into 8 divided by 2 into 1 because 9 cards are numbered in every suite. So cancelling this you will get 36. The same number of 9 numbers will be there in diamond, right? So diamond you will get the same 36 and the spade you will get same 36 and then in clubs you will get same 36. So this is the possibility. When you add all this, what you will get? 72 plus 72 144, 36 36 72, 72 plus 72 144. Your favorable outcome is equal 144. Why? In every suite in heart there are 36 favorable cards. So 36 possibilities ways of taking two cards. Because we are taking two cards, that is important. Both the cards are. So two cards. If it is one card means here 9 9 9 9 totally. So you will get only 36 cards. Here we are taking two cards. How will you take two cards? Selecting two things which is nothing but combination. Out of 9 numbered cards, I am taking two cards. So probability is equal. What is the answer? So probability is nothing but favorable outcome divided by total outcome. Total outcome is 26 into 51. So I have to cancel to get the answer. So can I cancel with 2? Yeah. 72 and 13 here. And then again I can cancel with 3 because both are multiples of 3. Here 17 times of 3 is 51. Here 24 times of 3 is 72. So multiply 24 divided by 13 into 17. 10 times of 17 is 170. 3 times of 17 is 51. So 13 into 17 to 21. So answer for this question is 24 by 221. Okay, are you clear? Let's move on to the next question. From a group of 3 men and 2 women, 2 persons are selected at random. Find the probability that at least one woman is selected. So at least one woman means what? Out of those 2 persons, you can have one woman or else you can have 2 women. Okay, that is at least. At least means minimum one woman. Maximum n number of women can be there. What is the total women? 2 women. So maximum 2 women can be there. Okay. So first thing is total outcome. So I am taking 2 persons out of how many persons? So 2 persons out of 5. 5C2. Am I right? I am taking 2 persons out of total 5. 3 men plus 2 women, total 5. So I can expand this as 5 into 4 divided by 2 into 1. So cancelling this, what I will get? So 2 to 5 into 2, 10. That is total outcome. My favorable outcome. What is the question? Probability that at least one woman. So at least one woman means there are 2 choices for my favorable. So one woman or both are women. Okay. If I am taking one woman, what is the probability? If I am taking only one woman. So I am taking one woman means 2C1. From 2 women, I am taking one woman. The remaining one person should be taken from men. So 3C1. Totally 2 members we are taking. I am taking one woman from the women's and then one man from the men's. So to make 2 members. Or 2 women. I am taking 2 women means 2C2. Am I right? Done. Cancel this, you will get the answer. So 2C1 is nothing but 2. And 3C1 is 3. 2 by 1, 3 by 1, you will get 2 into 3. R is nothing but plus 2C2 is 1. So 2 into 3 is 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Your favorable outcome is equal to 7. Am I right? That's it. Because 2 possibles are there. R means plus, we have added it here. Okay, we have seen these kind of questions in permutation and combination as well. When it comes to probability, you will select and compare it with the total outcome. Okay, that's it. The probability is equal 7 is my favorable and total is 10. 7 by 10. That's it. Okay. Done. Next question. Final question. A box contains 5 defective and 15 non-defective bulbs. 2 bulbs are chosen at random. Find the probability that both the bulbs are non-defective. So, totally how many bulbs are there? 5 defective and 15 non-defective bulbs. I have to take 2. 2 means I have to take 2 from 20. Total 20 bulbs. And find the probability that both the bulbs are non-defective. You should get non-defective bulbs. So which means how many non-defective bulbs are there? 15. So take it down. What is your total outcome? Total outcome is equal, out of 20 I am taking 2. So 20 into 19 divided by 2, which is nothing but 2 into 1. So 20 will get cancelled. 10 into 19, 190. Am I right? That's it. So out of 20, I am taking 2. Then favorable outcome. So when it comes to favorable outcome, what is the question? Question is, take 2 non-defective. Non-defective, I have to take all the 2 bulbs from the non-defective. How many non-defective bulbs are there? 15. I have to take 2 from 15. That is favorable outcome. 15C2 is nothing but 15 into 14 divided by 2 into 1. So 2 and 14 will get cancelled, 7. So 15 into 7, 10 times of 7 is 70, 5 times of 7 is 35, 15 into 7, 105. That's it. You have both total outcome as well as favorable outcome. What is the probability? Probability is equal total outcome in the denominator. So numerator is favorable outcome, total outcome in the denominator. You can cancel with 5. How many times of 5 is there in 105? So 21 times. How many times of 5 is here? 38 times. Am I right? 38 times of 5 is 190 because 40 times of 5 is 200. That's it. So answer for this question is 21 by 38. The probability is 21 by 38.